Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Live Trading Action by InTheMoneyStocks. My name is Nick Santiago. Today is October 26, 2015. Thank you all for tuning in. Stock that we're going to feature today is a company we all know by the name of Macy's. This is a major department store retailer, but a lot of traders are asking me, Nick, when is this stock going to bottom out? Just a few months ago, it was trading above $70 a share. Now it's trading around $47. Where can I find a low? And believe it or not, right now we are at a pretty good level here with the stock trading around 47, 42. But very, very often, I don't trust these support levels. And if you just take a weekly chart or just even a monthly chart, you're going to see that right now we just pierced through the 50-day moving average. But I did draw in this line earlier, and this is where I would get interested in the equity. And let me show you why. So right now, you're hitting the 50-day moving average. You're probably right now looking at this pattern. You're probably close to a 38% retrace. But the one thing I like to look for is I like to look for the prior breakout points. And that would be right down here. So I'm going to say anywhere between $44 and $43. This is where the institutional money would get involved in this equity. And let me show you how this works. So here you can see price popped up, went to around 50 bucks. It sold off, and then you can see right over here in this green candle going back to October 2013, which is exactly about 2 years ago. You could see that the stock was defended at that level, and then it had a big breakout point. So we know that the institutional money generally will come to the rescue the first time around that a stock comes back and tests a breakout point. So again, we'll look at that $44.50 area or $43.50 level. That is a spot where I think traders could get involved. Now, please remember, the company will report earnings, I believe, on November 11th. So you may not want to trade in front of those earnings reports. I do not like to do that. I like to wait after the earnings report to get involved, or I'll get involved in the stock now and wait until the earnings, then I'll move out prior to the announcement. So either way, it's up to you, but this looks like a very good level. Traders should keep this on the radar right around the $44 area for Macy's for the long side. Now, a lot of traders say, well, how high can it go if it does bounce there? That's where I like you to flip over to the daily chart. And what you'll see here is the blue line, which is a 20-period moving average. This usually in downtrends will serve as very good resistance. But once a stock does find a significant low, it usually will go through the 20 moving average and into the red line, which is the 50-day moving average. That usually will be the first big wall of resistance for the stock. So keep that on the radar. If it gets through the 20, should get to the 50, and I think that's where traders most likely would want to take off some money if they did get involved in that $44 level. All right, so that's pretty much it for today's trade lesson. If you want to trade Macy's and other stocks with all of us here at InTheMoneyStocks, please come on over. Take a 7-day free trial to our research center. You'll get all of our nightly chart setups. You'll get all of our cycle work. You'll also receive our No Hype Live broadcasts, which allow members to come in and ask us questions twice a week on any equity or anything market related. So once again, it's an awesome service. And again, try it out. See if you like it. But you will get all of these setups and more in the research center. With that being said, everybody, I want to wish you all a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.